Today we'll look at Heliotropium. This Heliotropium indicum. It's called ristically. That is, the flowers look like a scorpion in Sanskrit. So that's one thing about it. This one. And if there is little water stress, these leaves are very showy. The patterns on those leaves, very nice. And then it comes in all kind of waste places and all that. Then it is good for it's used in Ayurveda and herbal medicine. It's good for pitta, vata, ulcer, sores, wounds, skin, insect stings, fever. So bitter and kind of drying herb probably. Then it was supposed to have originated in India, as you can make out from the name, that Heliotropium indicum. So indicum is from India. Also it's there in other countries, quite widely spread, and it has also managed to go to all kind of tropical places, and nowadays it's widespread. Also it is it's invasive in many new places in America and all. It has become invasive. In our India, it is our native plant. Then it's a very unusual plant, and I think it'll be nice to grow in pots also, because mainly from the beauty point of view, aesthetics, the leaves are very nice. Then flowers also quite freaky flowers. Then apart from that, the main features, it occurs in disturbed areas. So these paddy fields and all are considered disturbed areas. They frequently plow it, and also it has some pioneering species qualities also. So it can be considered as a native pioneer species for disturbed places. And in other countries, it is become invasive in certain places. Then in India itself, these disturbed places, new colonizers have appeared. Some of them, this Heliotropium is not able to compete with some of them. So it is becoming rare in India nowadays, a bit unusual. And then it has some medicinal properties and all. You can't eat it and all. It's not culinary, but it has some therapeutic potential. So that's a little bit about Heliotropium. And then these disturbed places in mainly wet areas, valley bottoms, completely disturbed areas also it occurs, as well as these somewhat disturbed like this paddy field and all. It's not ruined because they water it and manure and on the land, so it also survives here. This is one of the, I think, valley number 1, 2, valley number 3, I think, which I am now covering. Paddy field also number in valley number 3, paddy field number 1.